What is going on, you guys? This is Ultron 2, and I am back with more videos. Today's video is pickups. But before I get to what I got today, I need to show you a spinner. This is the light up spinner. This is my brother's, black and white. It lights up, and I gotta say that the spinner is really light. This is the lightest spinner I've ever held in my hand. This is the lightest spinner ever. And the plastic is not like this plastic. It feels like a little cheaper. It feels like cheap plastic, but with this, you don't need to worry about dropping it on the ground because it's still good. So, let's get to pickups. Alright. First, what I got in the mail was a fidget spinner. Got this off of Amazon. I think it came from China. Yeah, I think it came from China. This is a mystery fidget spinner, because this one just randomly came to the house, and I guess it's ours now. I don't know if they send our spinners by mistake or whatever, but that's how it is. Sometimes people make mistakes and they send the wrong spinner. Seen it, so let's open it. This came in the mail today. Just put it up there. It's a cool case. Okay, this is how it looks like in the case. It's aluminum. It's hard. It kind of feels like metal, but it's aluminum. We did a speed test with this. My brother said it spun for like 5 minutes, so that's very impressive. This spinner can spin longer than any spinner that we have in the house, so that's very impressive. I'm very shocked about that. 5 minutes. And this spinner costs $7. And it's quieter than this spinner right here. Got this from Walgreens. This spinner is very quiet, and I like the color. I like the color of this spinner. It's a very awesome color. It's not silver. It's like off camera, it kind of looks like a silverish kind of bronze color. You've probably seen this color before. It's very amazing, and it spins very fast. This spinner is very smooth. I like it. So, very cool spinner. The bearings. It's not like this. It's different. I don't know how to take it out. I'll probably take it out in another video. Let's put that back in here. Next pickup. Got these from Walmart. Some more Hot Wheels cars, cause I like collecting Hot Wheels cars. I got some more Batman, cause I told y'all I was gonna get the rest of the Batman. This time I picked up the Batmobile from the movie. This is a movie, Batmobile. Here's called Batmobile. It's from I think the 1990 or 80 Batman movie. I forgot what it's called. Maybe it was Return of Batman. So that's one. And the second one, I got a Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with it. This is from the video game. This is not from a movie. So right here it says Arkham Knight Batmobile. Collect them all. So it's very good. So that was my second one I got, and I also picked up this car right here. It's called the Pile Driver. The reason why I picked up this car is because it's from a TV show. This car right here. It's from Hot Wheels Acceleracers. I don't have the actual car from Acceleracers, but I did want to pick up this car because it's kind of like it. And right here it says 10 out of 10. So this is the last car out of that series. 10 out of 10. Daredevils. And I guess that was a code right here. I don't know what that is. So picked up the Pile Driver, Hot Wheels Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. I like this Batmobile. And this one. This one's also from a TV show. So pick this one up. Batmobile. So these were all the pickups from today's video, including the Fidget Spinner. So 4 things in total. This spinner right here, we've been had this. We got this spinner on the same day when I got this spinner right here. This spinner costs $8. Check out the caps. Here are the bearings. I'm very impressed by it. So let's put that back on. So, and the cool feature about this, it lights up. Put that on. So once you turn it on, you gotta press it twice for it to turn off. So that's it. My next video, I will be doing the fidget cube. Some people don't like this because it's kind of boring. They like the spinners. I told a friend of mine that I like the fidget cube. I mean, it's still good. Some people, for some reason, don't like it. I like the fidget cube, but I like the spinners better. So, yep. This video's gone too long. The only time when a video would be long if it's a very good video on a very good topic. If it's something like very important or something I really want to do, then it's gonna be over 10 minutes. Sometimes I like to overdo myself with making videos too long. Cause I like trying to do videos for like 5 or 6 minutes, but sometimes get out of hand. So thanks for watching. Like this fidget spinner right here. Hopefully we'll be able to do a speed test so you guys can see it on camera for yourself. So thanks for watching. Ultron 2 out.